refrigerator.
I've heard of this situation happening before. People hiding in trunks, in suitcases, in cabinets. They wait until the store closes, and then they rob the place.
You gonna buy it?
I was thinking about buying it.
So you normally check it out by looking at it, not testing it out?
Sometimes.
What are we gonna do, rob us? This mother is not getting away with it. Not here.
Homer.
Hey! What's going on? Hey, man, it's a nice refrigerator.
Get the out of here.
Come on, refrigerator.
You're stupid. Why would your ass jump into a refrigerator?
Come on, man.
He kind of remind me of like a crackhead Snoop Doggy dog. Tell you right now, take another step, it's gonna be your last step to walk.
Were you gonna stay in there all night and come out in the night?
What if this guy is part of the bigger team? I'm worried. I need to figure out a solution and talk to my dad.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, dog?
How you doing?
I just got this phone that I bought here like 2-3 days ago, and this don't work. The camera don't work. It keep freezing and like that.
Did you download a camera function?
No, it clearly got a camera. Why would I have to download it?
Just asking.
I need a new phone, dog.
Okay. You got your receipt?
No, I ain't got it with me. I ain't bring it.
First of all, we don't sell iPhones for $200. And second of all, I'm not giving them without a receipt.
Just get me another phone. That's all I'm asking for.
As soon as you give me that receipt, I can see what I can do for you.
I don't have my receipt. I just clearly told you that, man.
Clearly, you told me that.
So
Clearly, I have
we
to tell
need
you
to fix this,
that
or
without the receipt, there's nothing I can do for you. And getting
just
irate
give
with
me
me,
another
I'm
phone.
gonna help you out. Who sold the phone to you in the first place?
Somebody. See here. Right there. Him right there. Yeah, you sold me this phone right here. Like 2 days ago? Yeah, you did, cuz.
What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone, clearly.
Yeah, but we haven't had one of those up for sale since I've been here 6 months.
I mean, I just seen you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm not the one being ridiculous here. Clearly, he can't come up with a receipt. And if he said clearly one more time, I was going to clearly have to knock his freaking head off.
You didn't buy it from us.
Yes, I clearly did.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you coming on over here. You can go back to selling that computer.
No, hold on.
No, don't touch him and let him go.
Man, you and your mohawk, shut the hell up.
My mohawk doesn't talk.
It clearly does.
Clearly it
Along
does.
with that goatee,
Now,
too.
the goatee does talk.
Yeah.
And you don't want him to start talking because he doesn't like when people talk.
Can I talk to the manager or somebody?
The goatee is the manager. And he's telling you to either give me a receipt or get the hell out of here.
Y'all got all these phones right here. What about that one right there? Did that one work?
Pull the things up over your ears a little because you clearly can't hear me.
There, it's off. Do this phone work? It's a simple question. Does this phone work?
You know what, Joel? Can you go show him how it works? Take a picture out in the parking lot.
Don't touch my
Show
phone,
him
dog.
how the phone works outside.
Why are you touching me? Okay, just don't touch me then. I'm gonna be back. I'm coming for my money. Is that clear?
Send me a picture of the receipt from your phone.
He wasn't no manager. He couldn't have been no manager. Not looking like that. I mean, you need to get the cut.
Clearly.
What?
I gotta talk to you.
Oh, what?
Put your phone down.
Sure.
I'm very concerned about security right now. We see a guy hiding in the refrigerator. There needs to be a nighttime security. Whether it be sitting in the store, whether it be sitting around the store, whether it be outside the store, we need somebody here at night.